Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel, and you won't be disappointed for clicking on this channel, just the saying. And if you've been here, hello, how you doing, and welcome back. So for this week's nail tutorial, I'm going to do something very quick and easy, and I just really like this. So I am doing a frosted tip ombre glitter nail tutorial for you this week, and like I said, it is quick. And so sit back and relax and watch everything and learn everything. But before you continue doing what you're doing, go down below and subscribe to my channel. It's right down below. Just go ahead and click down there, and the great notification bell, hit it twice, like this video and share this video, and also leave me a comment. Just please leave me a comment. So let's get started with this video.
You got me singing way oh way oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh way oh.
So you guys, let's get started with this nail tutorial, shall we? So to begin with, you want to prep your nails, and then you want to apply your base coat of your heart's desires base coat that you want. And once you got all of that done, you're going to want to apply the sea foamy sea green color on your wedding finger, and apply 2 coats of that. And then for the rest of your fingers, your thumb, your index finger, middle finger, and pinky, you want to apply 1 coat of this Sally Hansen color called Mermaid tail, and you want to apply this color from the cuticle about a little over halfway, and it doesn't have to be an exact straight line. It's a light thin layer. And then you want to take another Sally Hansen nail color called Disco Ball, and you want to apply that to the tip. Just 1 coat for right now, and you kind of blur those lines together where the blue, the mermaid tail polish kind of overlaps, and you want to overlap the disco ball with that mermaid tail to make that ombre effect. Once you have all of that done, you want to begin to make the ombre of the glitters. So you want to take that mermaid tail color and take a makeup sponge wedge, and you want to apply that glitter onto the makeup sponge so the sponge can soak up the moisture, the other liquid that's in the glitter. So then the mermaid tail is very chunky, thick glitter, so then you will be left with the leftover glitter specks. And you want to dab that on the nail.
I'll be your prey. I'll be your prey. I'm a prisoner. I won't break free. Gotta get handle me and discipline me. Nobody else but you, baby. Give me your love, baby. Lock me up, shame me. I'm a prisoner. I won't break free.
Then once you have done that for each nail and you have to do it a couple of times to have it nice and opaque and very thick blue color that's predominant. Then you want to take that disco ball glitter again and apply that to the tip again, and overlap the colors as well to make it that ombre look. Once you do that, you're done with those nails, and then you want to focus more on towards the wedding finger now. So the wedding finger has 2 coats of the base color. I picked a glitter that goes well with nail color that's already on there. It's really like a glitter form of the nail color that's already on your nail. So you want to apply onto the wedding finger only, and apply a thin layer of that on your nail. You want to apply a 3D bow, as you see. to the middle of your writing finger to give it a nice little accent. Apply that to the nail while it's wet. So at this point, all your nails should be done. So all that's left to do is apply the Pro FX High Gloss Quick Dry Top Coat and apply that to all the nails. So I will do the glitter ombre nails first, and then once you do get to the writing finger, and you want to make sure the PB nail bead is secure onto your nail. So once you get through all that, you are done, and you have this frosted tip ombre glitter nails. So you guys, what do you think about these quick, cool ombre glitter nails that I did for you guys this week? I really liked how they came out and very proud of what I did. So I hope you recreate them yourself, and if you haven't already, go down below and subscribe to my channel. Give this YouTube video a like and click the share button so everybody can see these quick ombre frosted tip nails so that you can recreate yourself. So thank you so much for watching and making it this far in this video. Bye!